got to know your recipes, you got to have some people skills, and you got to work well with others. That will get you through what you need to be a good bartender. If you want to be a great bartender, you got to learn a lot of extra stuff, different drinks and recipes, something that when people come to see you at the bar, they've never had it or they can't get it somewhere else. And if I can make a drink or a shot that you can't get anywhere else, most likely you're going to come back and see me. Knowing your liquors and recipes and the latest trends, that is always good because that's always changing. There's always new liquors coming out. So it's good to stay up to date on the things that you have. I also like to go to other bars. That way I can see how other bartenders are doing and interacting with their customers. And I take all these things and I use them to be a great bartender.